Atma Namaste, God's Love Channel, Cheryl. Today we are going to have a talk of why should I sacrifice myself. Okay. Now, knowingly, unknowingly, in our mind, in our emotions, we being good people, a good person from our own heart, we are good person from our own heart, and unfortunately the understanding, meaning, definition of a good person means that we always adjust, we let go, we forgive, we sacrifice ourselves. Sacral chakra activation gives you an insight of who you truly are. So then I asked myself, good, I'm a good person, nothing wrong in it. But why is there this idiotic need of sacrificing myself? Why can't I be a good person with respect to self, respect to others? Unknowingly, I have always sacrificed myself. So during this sacral chakra activation, I decided that I'm not going to sacrifice. I'm not going to sacrifice my health. I'm not going to sacrifice my status. I'm not going to adjust or sacrifice whatever. Because we always keep ourselves at the back, at the last, at the least, not even back and last. We are the least priority in our own life. If I have 10 rupees, I would buy things for my children, or my husband, or my staff, or my society people, but in the list I would come maybe at the 100th number, but generally I will never come there. Why? Because that is the way I am, and you all are in your own mind. If you realize, you will see that you have been sacrificing smallest of things to biggest of things. And so from now on, I'm making a promise with my own self that I'm not going to sacrifice myself. Yes, little bit of adjustment, little bit of tolerance, good enough. Human tolerance, good enough. Human adjustment, good enough. But I'm not going to sacrifice myself, um, as in sacrifice. I'm not going to unprioritize myself. I'm going to give myself priority. I'm going to give my health priority. I'm going to give my needs and my likes and my dislikes priority. This is the promise that I have given to myself, that from now on I'm going to prioritize myself and I'm not going to sacrifice myself at all. Okay, because sacrifice is a very, very huge word. It means that I will not look at myself at all. I will do whatever it takes to provide for other people. From now on, I am going to promise, and so I want you all to promise your own selves. Because at the end of the day, if I am going to go through pain, physical, emotional, or mental, I am going to pay for it. If I don't eat good food, naturally my body is going to say, ma'am, sorry, you did not have good food, so naturally you are not going to be healthy. If I did not have food on time, my body is not going to say, okay, oh madam, we were sacrificing, oh it's okay, it's fine. No, my body is going to say that, hello, we have got diabetes, hello, we have got low blood pressure, hello, we have got knee pain. You understand? So the body is not going to sacrifice itself. It is just going to give you the same result that you give it. As in, you don't eat on time, you don't drink on time, you don't drink better water, you take a lot of stress, you just go extra mile for everybody else but your own self. And naturally, we get exhausted, And so what is the result? We don't exercise our own self. We don't take care of ourselves. We don't have good night's sleep. We don't eat food in the right manner, right time, right quantity, right quality. We do everything on this earth to sacrifice ourselves. Okay, so now today is the time that we promise ourselves we are going to give priority to our own self, our likes, our dislikes. We are not going to sacrifice ourselves, we are not going to adjust more beyond our capacity, and we are going to take a lot of good care of ourselves. We are going to eat on time, drink on time, take really good care of our health and whatever it takes. Okay, this does not mean that I am becoming selfish. No, I am becoming self love. I am becoming self respect. I am not becoming selfish. Let us all be happy, healthy together. If I am happy, healthy, I can make everybody happy, healthy. If I am healthy, I can take care of more people. If I'm not healthy, I will not be able to take care of anybody else. So let us be more logical, practical with our own selves, and promise ourselves that we are going to take care of ourselves first. And naturally, this is what we are. We always take care of others. So it's just a little shift in our mind that let us bring ourselves a little forward, maybe first, and then we will always take care of others. That is what we always do.
दीदी पर ऐसा हो जाता है ना जिनके साथ हम लोग रहते हैं, जो हमारे अपने हैं, तो हम कई बार उनको प्रायोरिटीज ज़्यादा दे देते हैं, चाहे उस टाइम पे हमारे हेल्थ के इश्यू हो या इमोशनली इश्यू में फँसे हुए हो। तो भी ये तो नेचुरली हो जाता है कि आप अपने आप को लास्ट में रखें और दूसरों को पहले देखें।
यस, होता है।
तो तो फिर मतलब तो क्या वो सैक्रिफाइस हो ही जाता है ना जाने-अनजाने में, मतलब जबकि मुझे 5% 10% पेन है, तो उसके अंदर भी मैं दूसरों का कुछ ना कुछ करने जाऊँगी, तो बढ़ेगा, नेचुरल है, तो क्या करने का उस टाइम पे?
Use your logic, become practical, and it is very, very important for you to start to say no. Because let me tell you one thing, good or bad news, but this is a news, people will take care of themselves. What do is we treat unknowingly others as children and ourselves as the mother, and we feel that if we will not be available, they will not be able to do some things. But that's a myth. It's just your thought. They can get up, take care of themselves. If somebody is sick, really sick, then naturally you give them little priority or you take care of them, but you will have to also respect yourself. You cannot just day and night take care of someone and not at all look at your own health. So you will have to be little practical. And let me tell you, everybody can take care of themselves. Nobody in this world, except for some people who are in coma or very terminally sick, or they need assistance or something like that, real medical assistance. We are not we are not shrewd or rude or bad people, okay? But we have to be pragmatic. We have to be very, very practical. And yes, somebody needs tea, somebody needs coffee. In that tea and coffee, we just forget ourselves. In taking care of others, we just forget ourselves. This is not a right attitude. We are God's child also. Why should we forget that yes, I am a God's child, and yes, God loves me also. And if I am in pain, my God is also going to be in pain. And at the end of the day, we get exhausted. And then what happens? That we cannot totally take care of anybody else. So let us be a little practical here. Once I take care of myself, I can take care of others also. Yeah. But if I don't take care of myself and continuously take care of others, I will just go so long, and then our life quality, our irritability will increase, our life quality will go down, our health quality will go down. Why? Because we are not giving eating proper timing or taking care of ourselves. So let us take care of ourselves little, let us be little pragmatic. Vevaru is the right word, and then behave in that way, व्यवहारू attitude, व्यवहार से
Yes,
काम करना, जो होना चाहिए वो.
yes, Siti.
It is just little bit of change. I'm not saying कि आप बहुत ज्यादा सेल्फिश नहीं, सेल्फिश तो है ही नहीं यहाँ पर. मैं सिर्फ आपको ये कह रही हूँ कि थोड़ा
नहीं
सा.
दीदी, मैं आपका कहने का मतलब समझ रही हूँ कि आप एटीट्यूड को चेंज करिए,
हाँ,
थॉट प्रोसेस को चेंज करिए
हाँ,
और प्रैक्टिकल होके अगर जरूरत है तो जाइए, पर मदर मत बन जाइए। हाँ, मैं समझ रही हूँ आपकी बात को। यस दीदी।
और हम नॉर्मल मदर नहीं है, हम मदर अर्थ हो जा रहे हैं, हम मदर इंडिया बन जाते हैं, पता नहीं क्या कौन सी मदर बन जाते हैं. बट इवेंचुअली मदर होती है सेक्रीफाइस करने के लिए, वो भी हम गलत सोचते हैं. मम्मा को भी सेक्रीफाइस करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. ठीक है. So the moment we start to respect ourselves, you will realize that we have respected others also. You start to respect yourself, then सामने वाला बंदा कहेगा कि नहीं मुझे टाइम पे खाना है, तो you will say okay, it is time for somebody to have lunch, food, whatever. Please have your food on time, or it's your time, your free time, your break, or whatever. You will not only respect yourself, but you will start to realize the value of respect for others also, when they give priority to themselves. So, and not only that, when your children look at you giving respect to yourself, they will also learn how to respect themselves and others. Yeah, they will not, this sacrifice, it where does it come from? It comes from low self-worth, that I'm nothing, I'm useless. If I don't do this, I have no value. It comes from there. But now I have decided that I will give self value, I will give myself worth, I will love myself, and I will not sacrifice myself. I'm not a bali ka bakra, I'm not a goat, I'm not an animal. No animal should be sacrificed, and never should I be sacrificed, okay? In whatever capacity. Atma, namaste. Thank you.